What is Windows operating system? Have you ever wondered what makes your computer actually work? How can you open apps, watch videos, or play games so easily? The secret behind all of this is something called an operating system. What is OS? An operating system, or OS, is the main software that runs your computer. It acts like a bridge between you and the computer hardware. Without an OS, your computer is just a machine with no control. What is Windows? One of the most popular operating systems is Microsoft Windows, developed by Microsoft. Windows is used by millions of people around the world because it is simple, powerful, and user-friendly. How Windows works like the brain of your computer. When you click an app, Windows sends instructions to the hardware. It controls everything, from opening files to running games. Main functions. Windows has many important functions. First, it provides a user interface like desktop, icons, and taskbar. Second, it manages files, so you can save, delete, and organize data. Third, it controls memory and runs multiple apps at the same time. And finally, it connects hardware like keyboard, mouse, and printer. Over the years, Windows has released many versions like Windows 7, Windows 10, and Windows 11. Each version brings new features, better performance, and improved design. Real-life example: think of Windows like a manager in an office. It tells every part of the computer what to do and when to do it. Without it, nothing would work properly. Now you know what Windows operating system is and why it is important. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech content.